Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make money with the One Funnel Away Challenge, all right? And I'm going to show you how to do it and what you can do, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So okay, so yeah, that was good. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I try to make a lot of videos, and I'm doing the One Funnel Away Challenge right now, where I take you 30 days to create your own information product, establish yourself as an expert, and I'm helping you, and I give you a ton of bonuses as well, which we'll go over later in the video. Also go subscribe to my fitness channel, where I talk about fitness, fasting, non-mainstream health stuff, if that is your thing as well. And if you haven't yet, go to OFAsystem.com and buy the One Funnel Away Challenge, which coincidentally is kind of what this video is about, right? How to make money from the One Funnel Away Challenge. So for those of you who don't know, the One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day program where the top ClickFunnels guys will coach you through making a funnel, you know, literally like everything from A to Z. And that is kind of the basis for these videos that I'm making right now, is that I'm essentially helping you guys go through it, because I went through it when I created my cold email course, and I'm going through it again right now to create another course, okay? So when you sign up for it, you get a bunch of stuff, all right? ClickFunnels will give you a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to show you right now how you can make money signing people up for the course as well by giving away additional stuff. Whew. All right, so here we go. Now let me go to my own ClickFunnels account. So essentially, let's just take a quick look at this page right here, right? So when you click on this, and it's $100 to join the challenge, all right? Now, when you join the challenge through my affiliate link, I will get an affiliate commission. This $100, let's say you sign up through my affiliate link and you buy the challenge, and it's it's $120 with shipping, because they ship you a bunch of stuff. They ship you where is it? Here we go. Hardcover book, MP3 player, challenge workbook, I think a t-shirt, something like that. So they ship you all this stuff, they charge you 20 bucks. So the total cost is $120. Now, if you sign up through my affiliate link, I will get 100 of those dollars, all right? So right there, I'll be getting 100 bucks. Now, affiliates. So that's that. Now, how to actually get people to sign up for this? Well, what you can do, is you go to Facebook, right? Now this is going to require you to kind of change your Facebook page to look more business-like. So if you're just some random mom or whatever, no offense to any random moms, but you're gonna wanna change your Facebook page to look more official and more professional, so that you're an official, essentially you're gonna wanna turn your Facebook page into a sales funnel. Okay, and then you just go into explore Facebook groups, and you say hey, do you guys need help marketing? I'm going to, there we go. I'm going to do this challenge for 30 days, and I would like to help you. It's $100, and I give you all this extra free stuff, right? So what I've decided to do, this is my page, OFAsystem.com, right? So I've set up this page, and the way that I entice people to do this is hey, do you want to learn how to make money online? If you sign up for this One Funnel Away Challenge thing, which is a full 30-day coaching course by these famous marketing people, you'll get that, all right? If you essentially sign up for this One Funnel Away Challenge through my affiliate link, you'll get all of this stuff that they're going to give you anyway. And I'm going to give you 9 pre-made funnels that you can sell to dentists, to fitness people, to realtors, restaurants, contractors. You can start your own agency, right? And I'm going to give you this guy Doug Booten's video course about ClickFunnels, which you can give away for free and use for yourself. And I'm going to give you another course by Doug, which is a free training where you can learn how to make $1,000 this week by selling the One Funnel Away Challenge, and my own stuff, right? So you're getting a cold email course, PyGumbot course, and all of these additional free resources, which I won't bore you because I've gone over them in other videos, right? So essentially you're giving people so much stuff that for $100, it's almost a no-brainer. How can you fail with this much stuff? I would buy it just because it's a good deal, you know? And what I normally do, every time, because there's a one funnel away challenge every month, I will buy the one funnel away challenge over and over just to get the bonuses that people are selling, they're giving away, I mean, right? So basically, how can you make money with the one funnel away challenge? Well, all you have to do is really just copy me and what I've done. When you sign up through my affiliate link, you get a copy of this page, all right? And you just set up your own domain like OFA Mastery or OFA Superstar, like whatever, buy some domain, and I'll show you how to do that in other videos. And then you just take this site, which is this site we're looking at right now, and you just make it your own, right? And I'll show you how to do that in ClickFunnels, but you just like add all this stuff, right? You can leave Doug's course in there, you can leave my course in there, like you can leave all this stuff in there and just add like 1 or 2 sections on your own and just go and just like get this in front of lots of people and say like, hey, like I'm promoting this, I'm gonna help you through it, I'm gonna give you all of this extra stuff. All you have to do is just sign up through this link. It's $100, you get all of this extra like ClickFunnels stuff, you get my video course, get like so much stuff, and then, you know, people will buy, and that's just kind of how you get started. Okay, so that is how. Thank you. Could I have some ice water? Water? Oh, downstairs. Okay, I'll get it. Thank you. Sorry about that. I'm in a cafe. Anyway, that's basically it. Like, it's not that hard. Like, sales is a numbers game, and once you get in front of enough people, you're going to find some that are willing to buy. Which is why I like making YouTube videos so much, because this, like, I make the video once and it stays on YouTube forever and it gets ranked in the search results and people find me, and like magical things happen when you get on YouTube. Okay, so that's another video for another time. Cool. So if you guys have any questions about that, let me know. Go check out my fitness channel where I talk about fitness and stuff like that. If you guys haven't signed up for the One Funnel Away Challenge yet, there is one every single month, so definitely go sign up for that. Do it through ofasystem.com, which is my website, where you will get all of this extra stuff of mine, get a couple extra courses from Doug Booten as well, get to join my Facebook group and another Facebook group that is going to be a private group for people who join, and we can all talk, shop, and, you know, count our millions of dollars that we're never really going to make. Cool? Peace.